Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to explain you about 5 amazing gadgets that make your life happy and easier, so let's start with this amazing video. Number 1. Delux PockCombo. A portable keyboard and mouse combo. Introduce yourself to PockCombo, the newest portable keyboard and mouse set from Delux. PockCombo is designed to be as lightweight and compact as possible while yet being functionally minimal. PockCombo features all the necessities you need to set up an office workplace whenever and wherever you need it, including a foldable keyboard, sliding mouse, and secure case. The unusual keyboard and mouse set from Delux is the same size as a typical notebook and is convenient to carry about. Additionally, PockCombo's multi-compatibility enables 3 devices to connect through Bluetooth at once and to switch between several devices with ease. Simply carry it with you and immerse yourself in the high efficiency and job productivity, whether you're in the home office, during meetings, or on a business trip. Coming to number 2. The ACE K1 projector. It offers stunning, beautifully detailed native 1080p images based on 650 ANSI ultra brightness in addition to supporting 4K. With the aid of a sizable, clear display screen and strong, more distinctive sound from an integrated Hi-Fi 15W speaker, your home is transformed into a movie theater. You won't have to worry about stuttering video or delayed audio thanks to Wi-Fi 6, 5G, and Bluetooth 5.0. These technologies offer a maximum data speed of 9.6 gigabits per second and are interoperable with both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz networks. The first monolithic LCD projector available on the market with autofocus and auto keystone correction, ensuring a perfect aspect ratio from virtually any angle and appropriately customizing your display without manual operation. Coming to number 3. S-Nano. Not your Avarege haptic fidget slider. From our S-Nano fidget, you shouldn't anticipate anything less. Our product is useful, durable, and adaptable. The fidget slider's objectives are to reduce annoying behaviors and anxiety. The Ant Design's S-Nano allows you to let go of excess energy in a genuinely enjoyable and satisfying way. This clearly defined fidget had a goal and moved fluidly and easily. It provides enough grip so using it for a lengthy amount of time won't make your thumbs sore. Cyan and pink are the colors of magnets. They are magnetically drawn to one another. We put a second magnet between them to repel them. This reduces touch and enables smoother operation. Without a doubt, we provide EDC items of the greatest caliber. The majority of the reviews were positive. What matters most is that our products are reasonably priced. Coming to number 4. Auldtok. 3-in-1 heated water cup with 65 WPD fast charging. Thanks to the Auldtok heating cup, everyone can always have their coffee, tea, or water on hand and at the perfect temperature whenever they want. An electric kettle, a vacuum sealer, and a water cup are all included in the Auldtok 3-in-1 heating cup. Auldtok can provide a cup of hot water at the right temperature in less than 25 minutes. It can be used as a vacuum thermos after boiling to retain heat for a long time or for straight drinking. The portable Auldtok hot water cup heats water to 212 degrees Fahrenheit in just 25 minutes, so you won't have to wait long. Now you can quickly and safely charge it with a standard charger, power bank, or car charger without worrying about the power plug or voltage. Auldtok may be heated to a maximum of 100 degrees Celsius, and the temperature can be freely changed to accommodate a variety of driving and traveling requirements. Coming to number 5. Bolstr AUX Sling. Minimal and perfectly sized. 3 bags in 1. Men who want the optimal size everyday carry don't have many options. For daily use, the majority are either too big, too tactical, or too much like a purse. There are different ways to attach the strap to the pouch. The AUX pouch now features a loop on the back that makes it simple to attach a tension hook after we adjusted the design. As a result, AUX is more comfortable to wear with a double point strap than a single point strap that is closer to the body. The AUX Sling provides a secure way to carry your daily needs with easy access whether you're on a bike, commuting in the city, going for a short jog, in a mosh pit, or at the gym. The simple strap allows you to carry horizontally oriented carabiners and keys with aluminium hardware. So this is all about this video. If you like any product from this video and want to buy product, then the product buy link is in description, and hit the like button and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.